wondering if who out there loves talking about tax and having tax strategies like us here at Tax Accounting Adelaide. Maybe not, but anyway, I had my hand up. Okay, I just want to talk a little bit about myself. I'm Romeo Caparasa from Tax Accounting Adelaide, and there's a picture of me there. I just want to, I started out my career as a business banker at Commonwealth Bank, and I even worked interstate in Sydney with them, came back to Adelaide and worked as a financial accountant at RA Insurance, which was a great job, and also had a great role as company accountant of a big Adelaide builder called Rossdale Homes, and I had some other good roles in the tax office and councils and some other organisations. I just want to talk a little bit about our business and some of its highlights and successes it's had over the years. One of them was, I guess, to move from a home office and into a commercial real office. At the time, I didn't have any staff, so it was way too big for me, but I grew into it now. Also, I've had full-time staff. I'm also really proud I've helped young accountants on internships and helped about 6 or 7 now new accountants get their first full-time professional jobs in professional accounting. I want to tell you a quick story that when I started out in business, I actually had 3 clients, and I sent them a tax invoice, and funnily enough, they paid it. And so I was away and in business, so that was a really good way to start, and haven't looked back since, I guess. I want to say my website and an A-frame out the front of my original home office sort of established my significant first year client base, which was great. My website's still with me as well, so it's my A-frame really. Our business has had more than, in every year at least 20% growth. Do you think you can help us with that out there? Yes, I'm sure you can. We can probably get some referrals from you, which we're going to talk about later. Just want to mention we've got lots of Google reviews, something that's a hidden success of ours. We've done really well, and a lot of people have said that on Google by giving us positive reviews. So at this time, we've got 74, nearly all 5s. And it gets me new clients, and they're genuine, and people drive far and wide to see us because of these reviews, which is fantastic. Today I'm going to talk about 7 ways and opportunities that you can refer to us, and why to refer those people to us. The first is people who are new in business and starting new business, either just started or thinking of starting, and how they need advice. So let me ask you, do you think it's a good idea to meet an accountant in the early days of starting a business? I think yes. So I think if you meet someone thinking of starting a business or new to business owner, give them this tip. It's vital to get your business off to the right start. You need to set up a good scoreboard to track you in the early critical stages. Learn the basics of bookkeeping, accounting and banking. Know what taxes to keep aside. And of course, a new business starter, do you think they'll have a lot of questions? Yes, they do. So we can answer all those questions and get them underway. We offer a little session. It's $110 where we meet new business owners and go through everything they need to know when they're starting their business. Number 2 is a good referral is a business who wants to use accounting to grow their business. So let me give you a tip. All good businesses keep accounting easy and up to date. So a business should know their score in their business. Like you wouldn't be at a sports game without knowing the score. Same with the business. You can't fly blind not tracking your business results and not knowing the score. The players or the coaches wouldn't know what to do if they didn't know the score, and that's the same in your business. You need to know the accounting so that you know how to run the business better. With better information, you can focus on more reliable, value-adding things to improve your business further and save you time and be more effective, getting more value in your advisors' relationships with the additional information. And a good accountant can fast-track your business to more profit. And our tip is to use fast and simple software to save you time so that you can spend more time growing your business. Number 3 is rental property owners. So do you think someone who owns a rental property wants to claim everything, the maximum deductions possible? Yes, I think they do. Not only that, if you're a rental property, do you want to not only claim everything, but also structure your entities so that you're ideally structured to minimise tax, maybe land tax, and create more wealth? Yes, it's very important. Yes. I think you also need someone who can encourage you to reach your property dreams, whether that's an investment property or to own your home, and to be guided into property and be property owning investment. It's really important also to learn how to exploit negative gearing and what other successful property owners do. So that's really good. So rental property owners is a really good referral. Number 4 is self-managed super funds. Who's heard of self-managed super funds? Well, they're good to refer, especially if someone's not sure whether self-managed super funds for them or can be their friend, is what I say, if it's for them or not, whether they're tired of paying too much to run their self-managed super funds. So some self-managed super funds have exorbitant accounting fees, so we can review that and probably give them a more competitive package. Also, why is self-managed super fund so good in the right situation? Teach people how to exploit super, and also refer people to get in or get out of self-managed super fund in the right circumstance to the right people with the right advisors. My tip today is it's a really great place to accumulate wealth, particularly because it's a low tax environment at 15% before you retire and 0 after you retire. So yeah, great place. And also you get a deduction for an investment in yourself, so that's fantastic. Number 5 is someone saying, I'm tired of paying too much tax. So if someone thinks they have no deductions in their occupation or job, or they think that the tax paid on their group certificate is so high and unfair, or why does everybody else get more refunds than me, then give them this tip. Tell them to find out what a professional accountant like me thinks their ideal tax minimisation strategies could be, and perhaps they need to do something different than they've been doing for some time, and having a tax agent can change that. Number 6 is to refer someone who is behind on their tax returns or way overdue. So who knows someone who hasn't done a tax return for over 2 years? You may know someone, you may not. But believe it or not, some people haven't done tax returns or BAS returns for many years. I once did someone with 20 years. Now, what's really important is we can help find the information, and also there can sometimes be a lot of refunds there, and also we're the experts at minimising the interest charges and fines, and even had tax debts removed for some people. So if you know someone out there that needs this help, we can help them feel okay again by lifting this burden from them and getting them back up to date again. Now, number 7 is the difference of our personal tax returns. One of the main things is if someone has a tax return and it's been the same for years, like 10 years or something, then refer them to us. I mean, it's time to have a fresh look at it, get some new ideas. Your tax return shouldn't be the same over many, many years. You should be more investments, more income, more deductions perhaps, new investment strategies or tax strategies to keep it fresh and doing the most for you. Our tax return approach is not just to do your tax return, but also to be a little financial checkup doctor as well. Clearly we're after claiming all your deductions, whether you're young or old. I particularly like working with people who are young and haven't done a tax return before, so they're a great referral. I enjoy bringing young people who haven't done a tax return into the tax return world and teaching them how to get the most out of it and how it works. We also teach you how to claim work in your particular occupation, such as if you're a nurse. Obviously educating you on what you can do better next year in your tax return is a great thing to do, but also exploiting super, creating wealth, reducing tax, putting it all together to educate you to do more, not just in the current year but in future years if you're willing to take on some new ideas, and we can give you those. We've also got great experience in a variety of tax returns. You'll get the same person again next year, and also we can check previous tax returns if you think that something went wrong or you weren't quite sure or didn't understand something. Also reliable and good value as well. And so thank you for that. Looking forward to meeting you and referring to you as well. But yeah, thanks for listening to How to Refer to Us. I'm Romeo from Tax Accounting Adelaide. Thank you.